You know, it's not just the Tories whose sphincters tighten at the mention of inside cover. I can also have that effect on waiters, old people, dogs, and passers-by in general. In fact, whenever I enter the room, I am met with a sea of faces, wearing the same forced rictus grin that is the result of clenching their buttocks tighter than a nun's nasty. 2 days in the job, and I'm starting to feel like a leper. Yesterday I wandered over to say g'day and have a chat with an amiable politician, during which I mentioned that I would be editing inside cover. It is not often one sees fear, revulsion, confusion, and nausea cross a face all at once. He literally jumped back, with the fear and bewilderment that I often see when I try to start a conversation with a stranger on the train. In a moment, he recovered and said, "I'm sorry, but just who the fuck are you?" I gave him my name. He thought for a moment, and then said, "What, the fucking restaurant critic?" I asked him if he had any good gossip from inside the party, and he told me, no, but if he ever wanted to know about the garlic prawns at the Witch's Cauldron, he'd know who to call. Today I tried phoning the Premier. I told him who I was, and that I would be digging the dirt on the government. He said, "What, the fucking restaurant critic?" Ha, ha, ha ha ha. That's fucking hilarious. No fucking comment. Say, can you get me a reservation at Fraser's? I hear there is a waiter there who serves extra helpings. He continued to laugh nervously, even as he slammed the phone down.